Welcome to this tutorial on how to create an official email address in cPanel. Now, an official email address is a way of communicating to your customer or your clients in a business or an organization. Creating the email address is very simple and is very easy. Now, if you stay with me to the end of this video, you should be able to create an official email address. Step one, what you want to do, you want to head over to cPanel. A cPanel is a container that contains every details about your site, a hosting panel that contain every hosting about your site. Now, before you come to this cPanel, you must have purchased your hosting and you've gotten your domain. Now, if you've gotten that, then you need to head over to your cPanel just like this. Now, what you want to do, you want to put your username and your password. You want to put your username and your password. So I'll just go and copy my username and my password and put it. Now, after copy your username and password, you want to hit login. Then you have to log into your cPanel. Immediately you've logged into your cPanel, so you want to scroll down to where you see email account. You want to scroll down to where you have email account. Then you click on email account. Now, immediately you've clicked on email account, you should see this button called create. You just hit on the create. Now, if you have more than one domain name, you have to select the one you are fixing the email address to. So let's take, for instance, I want to fix email address to this. All I just want to do now in email address, you can use any name, any name. You can create any name of your choice. Maybe I could just use Kenny at baselineintegrated.com. Then I'll set a password, or I could generate a password myself, or I could just set my password. Let me just set a password. Now, once you are done, you just have to hit this edit setting and you make your storage space unlimited, because if you make it 250 MB, you will be limited to some mail, but you need to make it unlimited. Then once you are done, you want to hit create. Now I've created the email. The next thing you want to do, you want to click on check email address, because we need to set the platform by which we will be viewing the email. So once you click on check email, once you've hit on the check email, the next thing is to tick on this open my inbox when I log in and click on this open. Now, once you click on this open, it will take you to your official email address. As you can see, if you look at this top bar, you see Kenny at baselineintegrated.com. So meaning this is my official email address. It is as simple as this. So let me just give you a bonus. To every incoming mail, there is a header like this. You see baselineintegrated.com. We don't want it to take the link of the website, the URL of the website. We want it to take the name of the website. So what you're going to do here, you want to head over to setting. You want to head over to setting, click on identity. Then you double tap on your email address. Then you wait for it to load. Now, the display name. If any email drop, what should be the display name? So I might want to use baseline integrated, meaning this means from baseline integrated, and the organization the same thing, baseline integrated. So once you are done, you're going to hit save. So that is how you create your official email address. You can create it for as many users in your organization or in your company. So it is as simple as that. Any mail that is coming will be coming directly to your baseline, Kenny at baseline integrated.com. So if you find any value in this video, I want you to smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we release videos, you will not mix out from this video. Please, I want to hear your feedback. Drop a comment or drop any video you want us to do for you. Thank you.